Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Mustang brake squealing issue and what could be causing it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Brake squealing in the Ford Mustang is commonly described as a high-pitched noise during light braking, low-speed stops, or when the brakes are cold. Verified owner reports and service information show that brake noise concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Mustang model years and generations, with causes varying based on brake pad material, rotor condition, and driving habits. One verified and frequently reported cause involves brake pad material characteristics. Performance-oriented or semi-metallic brake pads commonly used on Mustangs can produce squealing noise, especially when cold or during gentle braking, even when the pads are functioning normally. Another confirmed cause relates to worn or glazed brake pads and rotors. As brake components wear, surfaces can harden or glaze, increasing vibration and noise during braking. Lack of proper brake lubrication is also a documented factor. Missing or degraded anti-squeal shims, backing plate grease, or contact point lubrication can allow vibration between brake components, resulting in squealing sounds. Brake hardware or installation-related issues have also been reported. Loose or improperly installed pads, clips, or caliper hardware can create noise when brakes are applied. Rotor surface condition is another verified consideration. Rotors with grooves, uneven wear, or minor surface irregularities can contribute to brake squeal, particularly during low-speed braking. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include brake dust buildup, environmental moisture, or normal noise characteristics of high-performance braking systems. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper inspection. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include inspecting brake pad and rotor condition, cleaning brake components, applying proper lubrication to contact points, replacing worn pads or rotors, and using noise-reducing shims when appropriate. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Mustang brake squealing complaints are considered normal for certain brake setups or are resolved through brake service rather than safety-related repairs. However, experiences vary by model year, brake configuration, and driving style. In conclusion, Ford Mustang brake squealing is typically linked to brake pad material, component wear, lack of lubrication, or rotor surface condition. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional inspection essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.